Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on equations worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets on solving equations. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on that link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. This particular slide I will leave it on for 1 minute before I move on to the next slide. But you can pause the video at any time you want for as long as you want. Okay, here is the next slide. I'll leave this slide on for a minute. However, you can pause it for as long as you want. Here's a little hint here. You will see here this very interesting equation which has letters and numbers, letters and numbers. The hint I give you is place the letters on the left-hand side and the numbers on the right-hand side. That's the hint. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and you can click on the link there if you need help with any of those worksheets.